we asked Mimmo, to come and clean our house. We found him online and he had great reviews. So we're now standing in our house in Carlton after the renovation clean, and it's amazing. He did a really, really awesome job. They've really made it easy for us to move back in, even stuff that I didn't think that they could do, they have delivered. So their price range is great for a whole house. So we were very happy with that, as long as we had it spotless, and it's great for us to move straight back in. So we definitely recommend Mimmo and the Clean House crew.
Thank you.